Unveiling Infinity. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 revolution, redefining tomorrow's smartphones with unmatched innovation and infinite possibilities. Today we are diving straight into the incredible Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. This phone is not like the others. It's super innovative and loaded with some seriously cool features. First things first, let's talk about its looks. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 offers you three stunning color choices: cream, icy blue and phantom black. You can pick the one that suits your style the best. Now, let's zoom in on the screen. This is a game changer. When you open it, you get a massive 7.60-inch touchscreen that's super clear and sharp. It's like having a mini movie theater right in your hand. Even when you fold it, you still have a 6.20-inch screen with a resolution of 904 by 2316 pixels. That's perfect for checking messages and quick tasks. Speaking of neatness, it comes with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for added durability. Inside this phone is a powerhouse. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, which means it runs really smoothly. And with 12 GB of RAM, you can do a bunch of things at once without any slowing down. The Adreno 740 GPU ensures exceptional graphics performance. Now, let's talk about the battery, a vital part of any phone. LiPo 4400 mAh battery powers the Galaxy Z Fold 5. It supports 25-watt wired charging, delivering 50% charge in just 30 minutes. Additionally, 15-watt wireless charging and 4.5 watts reverse wireless charging provide convenience for users on the go. When it comes to capturing memories, this phone has you covered. It has a 50-megapixel wide camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto lens. That's like having a professional camera in your pocket. And for selfies, there are two cameras in the front, a 10-megapixel and a 4-megapixel, to make sure you look your best. A standout feature is the new Flex Mode panel. It lets you push an app to the top half of the screen when you fold it in an L shape. For video apps, it shows playback controls at the bottom half with the video on top. And yes, it's even water resistant. With an IPX8 rating, it can survive in 1.5 meters of water for up to 30 minutes. So accidental water exposure won't be a worry. The inclusion of an armor aluminum frame adds drop and scratch resistance, enhancing its durability. Running on Android 13 with Samsung's One UI 5.1.1 overlay, it's easy to use and looks really neat. And storage? No worries there. You can choose from 256 GB, 512 GB or even a whopping 1 TB. That's like having a ton of space for all your stuff. In terms of design, it's sleek at just 6.1 mm thick. Staying connected is a breeze with Wi-Fi and 5G support. Plus, it has special sensors that make things easy and keep your stuff safe. Now, let's talk money. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 is a premium choice at Rs 1,64,999. The Google Pixel Fold is Rs 1,47,490. While the Vivo X Fold 2 is a budget-friendly option at Rs 1,07,490. The OnePlus Open comes in at Rs 1,24,990 and the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 is priced at Rs 1,10,000. With these different price points, it's all about what suits you best. So, which one catches your eye? Until next time, keep your curiosity alive, keep exploring, and stay excited about the ever-evolving world of tech.